Hey everyone, Crossover here, and welcome back. It's been a while since I did any recordings, so yeah, and we had some issue with our recording software and whatnot. But hey, we're back, and I figured might as well start with a brand new game, Monster Train 2. It recently just got released. I like the first one. I haven't even played this one yet, so we're just gonna jump right in. So I have no idea what anything is like in this game, so. Oh, jumped us right in. This is like, okay, battle. I guess I should know. Oh, wow, this is. I like the new graphics of this. I should actually take a look at our deck. What do we got? We start. Ooh, revenge triggers when being hit. Oh, revenge. Apply Valor 1. Valor 1 gives him +1 attack and raises armor to stack count if the. Oh, interesting. And we got Firestar, deal 1 damage, then apply Pyro, +1 incoming damage per. Oh, wow. Okay. Advance. Move to the floor, to the front of the floor. Okay. So move it back and applies Valor 2. Oh, so you use it on your unit. Okay. And Shield Steward. Oh, there's different kinds of Steward now. We got this shield and a spear ones. Wow, that's. Yeah, that's definitely different. Alright. We got an idea, so let's start battle to see how this is. Do we start with our leader in the front one? Pyre. This is your Pyre. If it takes too much damage from the enemy attacks, your run is over. So you only start with 3 cards in hand, okay. Each battle begins with a... You will draw your champion and any unit with a blue banner on it. After you end the turn, enemies will invade. Yep, 7 units defend. Standard, and they still got the bips, so that will be how much I can play on one floor. So we'll do that, and we'll place you in the back. I have 1 more point, so we'll put you up here just to get ready. Enemy to port of the train, and enemies into the lowest level move up after each turn. We will do 1 damage of Pyro Gel. Both of those. We'll do 1 there. So I'll lose 1 health, but that's fine. I can increase the speed, I believe. Yep, you can increase it up here. But we aren't going to do that just yet. You know what? We should do that and take care of those. Increase our stats there. And obviously, enemies will attack first. This is a brief stage, so we'll just do that. That will take care of that, so he will be dead either way, so let's apply that there, and yeah, the original, we didn't have the shield and spear, it's just one single Pegasus unit. Oh, now we're at the boss. So yeah, let's comment in that room to keep going. So we will first Pyro Gel that. Takes care of that. Pyro Gel. Oh, and it's just dead now. The enemy in that floor dies, but that's fine. Okay. And just back and forth until we win. I didn't kill everything, but that's fine. Boss is down. So let's see what we get. We can apply 10 Valor. That's pretty good for our main person. Consume, advance, and apply damage shield 2. That could be handy. Deal damage to enemy units equal to the damage. These are all pretty good. I'm kind of liking this, especially with our leader. So yeah, we'll grab that. Oh, let's see. Ooh, we got something new. A cooldown to deal 1 damage, then apply Fire Gel 12 to the front enemy. Okay, oh, this is cooldown too. Does that have to be on the floor? I think it has to be on the ground for 2 turns. You get 1 enemy to enemy units. That's alright. Fireball. So that's it. Oh! Let's try that out. Now we get a selector path. We can get over here. You get a Powerborn unit. Or the Banished unit. We get a new power for a unit. Forge your spell to get new powers. I'm going to go with this side. Spell? Okay. Is there any good spell in here? Ooh, increase. You can increase. You could add 2 mods to anything. So 3, actually. Hit back for a second. Just hold over permafrost. I can move a card. -1 to spell. Actually, how much money? I've got 35. I'm gonna add -1 to this. Make it cheaper because that's always nice. Explosive because that's very helpful. All right. I think that's it, so we'll just leave here. Get our unit. We got Firebreathe. What does Firebreathe? So, okay. And Everest. When a unit, so Firebreathing, it's got a cooldown of 2. This cooldown mechanic is new, because it wasn't in the first one. So it just deals its damage twice, so, We got a Miser. When a unit with a Everest deals unblocked damage, gain money equal to the stack of... Oh! Hello, money! Alright. We'll place you there. You there. And I'm going to place 1 here. 1 here. And turn. Shows, yep, that's, we know that already. You know what? Do that. Power Gel, and be done with it. Oh, do I get Valor all my units with him? Hang on a second here. Oh, Valor 1 to all units. Oh, okay, that's even better. Let's take out the healer. I'll take that thing out, but I could also take it out right now. Well. That would be 10. Oh, shoot, that gets a major buff when something dies. Oh, and oh, shoot, okay, so I want that to attack me first. Okay. I didn't see that last time. Okay. Ooh, we got explosives. Well, that will die either way, so we could do that twice. And we could also place this on the bottom floor to get this ready. There, that takes care of these 2 floors. Okay, we got a healer. That's got to be the first thing that goes. Oop, I am not going to take this out, so... I'm not going to take it out, but I'm still going to get a lot of money, too, from this. Let's see. And now it tells you. So yeah, we will increase it. Just how fast can we? Oh, we can. Oh, we can do it ultra, but I'm just gonna set it to just fast. Ooh, okay. This is. It's going to take that out no matter what. But we can do this to get some more damage off here. Can I? 45. Okay. I'm going to get 2 hits off. Or 1 hit. Wait. 2 hits off, yes. $89. I am not going to survive this, so just get the fire gel going. He's going to make it to the top, so I'm going to take some damage to the pyro right here. But my pyro will 2 hit this, so that's alright. 14 damage taken. Not bad. Oh, shift. What shift? Trigger when this unit moves. Oh, wait, equipment. That's new. We didn't have equipment in the last one. I'm gonna try it out. We got a couple of spells, we got another explosive, but we also have this. That's new. We'll try that out. We got so this is the horde. Okay, okay. We got, what's this? Restore health. We got merchant steel, pyro brown, arms. Okay. You know what? Let's go over here. We'll heal. Oh. We also have this. Come across the abandoned train yard and oh, she's in here too. Okay. First floor, install a boiler room. At start of battle, apply a boiler room on the first floor. Gain 1 when a unit dies. Okay, whatever. Mod the train yourself. Ooh, I can get the Hef's hammer, slay, and add 1 to this floor. That could be helpful. Third floor and sword, fight club mod. Grant friendly units plus 15. Ooh. It's either this one or this one. You know what? Security for the last floor. And now let's see. We got new equipment. Grant friendly units. Oh, this is. Oh, a room? Oh. Okay. When you play a unit, create a copy of it. Ooh, we'll grab both of those. I'm curious about these rooms. First boss, so we got Arkan Scion of Savagery. Okay, he gets rage. Play that there. Alright. Oh, he spawned up there. Oh, so I'm already going to get 23 damage off of that. I could easily just wipe this floor out here, I think. Yeah, let's just do that. And we can apply some pyro gel to that right now. Oh, and it can attack. Okay. What's this? Oh, okay, watch out for triggers. This unit has trigger. Triggers effect when a specific event or turn occurs, so after combat. I'm going to take some damage here, but if I can apply this. Okay, you know what? Do that. I can mitigate this a little bit more by killing that. I'm going to heal one. Let's go. Alright. Now you go to the bottom floor. That's perfect. Floor now. When I play a unit, it creates a copy of the unit. Which, if I do this... Oh, okay. I messed up there. Alright. Yeah, you go to the top floor. Ooh, I'm gonna be an issue here actually at the moment. That's fine, we'll do that. We will give this to you. Yeah, we'll do that. We'll survive there. That way I can have a chance to do something. I could actually do this. This will create a copy. It does not. Oh, oh, so you can't stack rooms. Shoot, okay. Good to know. I'm going to take 8 damage there, but that's fine. We'll do this to Kate. Both of them. Dang, that actually... Yeah, that changes things a little bit. Well, hey, now we know. And both of them die. Okay. And now he is there. Okay. He does 17. I won't survive that. So we will actually do that. Just to protect myself, do a 78 there. I'm going to take more damage there. That's fine. Okay, forward's down. This isn't good. We'll apply 1 fire starter there. And it just blow you up there. Alright, this isn't good. We'll just stack you with a bunch of fire starter. And just end there. This might be cutting a little close. Nope, I lose. Oh no, I survived. I miscalculated. That was definitely a close one. Multi-strike one, but also, okay. We're just going to skip those. That's a striker. Okay, and can't play spells. Okay, so it's that type of thing. I'm just going to skip those as well. Now here we go. This is something we need. We can get +1 draw each turn, but +2. Oh. We'll get this to get more space on each floor. That might be better. Ooh, we can get some artifacts on that side. I'll take it and get some health back. We can upgrade our champion. Let's see. We can get a revenge. We give Valor 2 to friendly units. That's a good one. Savior. What's Savior? Gain 5. Cooldown 3. Gain 5 Valor. Gain armor equal to Valor times 1 by 1. That's alright. I get more attack and cooldown. That actually might come in handy more. So yeah, we'll go with that upgrade. We'll get some more, oh, that's a special. Okay, well, let's go here first. Maybe we'll get something out of this. Craft routing equipment on a unit. Grab equipment from your deck on a unit. Ooh. So we could, select you right now. Okay, you know what? Actually, go back. Craft a random thing onto this unit. Meat shield. What's... Okay, now I gotta know what meat shield does. Let's see. Where is my miser? Miser. There, meat shield. Resolve and restore 10 health. Oh. That, actually, I like that. Oop, too far. Okay. Now let's see what guard artifacts we get. Oh. Equipped units gain 10 armor. When you play 3 different kinds of cards in a turn, draw 1 and gain 1. Okay. Ooh. Get more armor with that. Alright. I think that's the best choice out of that. Okay, now we got the trials. I was going to say, where's our trials? So at the start of battle, enemy units appear on each floor. Not that great. Depends on what we got here. Relentless summon, descend all friendly units to this floor and retreat. Okay, what else we got? I mean, I can take some damage, but at the same time, with what I got, no, I'm just going to say no to it for now. We'll worry about that in different rounds. And then, of course, we'll get 1 on each floor. You tell me with active ability. Okay, that's just a cooldown thing. I can fit more onto the floors now. So if we do this, we can move to the front like that, get some Valor going. That's 30 there, okay. We'll do that. I'm gonna be full health at that. Yeah, I think that's fine. I should test out this dragon. If when it pops up again, I'm gonna try that dragon thing. Okay, I gotta get rid of that, though. Let's do that. That's fine. I'm gonna take some damage there, but let's also increase our damage here. Alright. Yep, let's end there. Let's see, what do we get? Oh, yay, we got the collectors back. Although, actually, if we do that, we can move him to the front and then just have my guy kill it. We'll do that. That will die. I should take care of these bells so I don't get more damage dealt to me. I'm going to take some damage here, but that's fine. Alright. Man. Oh, that's just very annoying. I'm going to take some damage there, I think. We've got 2 waves remaining, so if I do this, I can... take that out, and I can possibly take out the other thing in the back, actually. Yeah. And we'll just remove one of those. That enemy is annoying, actually. And they definitely give a buff to the these jewels, because they didn't give 30 and 20 health before. We'll get rid of one. We will get rid of both of those and... Oh shoot, hang on. That was a mistake. I'm going to take 10 damage here. Well, let's just do this, get him ready for next time. Yep, that's gonna hurt. Alright, 1, 2. I'm gonna take some damage here, but that's fine. I might be... Oh, no, it's dead. What am I doing? Yeah, no, that is major death. And a lot of money gained from this. I like this little guy. Alright, let's see what we got here. Oh, that is perfect for our leader. Yeah, we'll grab that. Moneymaker. Dragon Horde thing. Deal 20 damage to all units. That's going to be to all units. That includes mine. I'm just going to skip that. I'm not liking any of those. Okay, we get a duplicate, or we get a treasure. You know what? Let's go over here. Can I use this on something? Oh, double status effects. Okay, never mind. Upgrade value and gains consumed. Alright. Upgrade some more damage on something. No. I'm not looking... Oh, I could reroll for 50. We'll hold off on that. And get a unit here. I'm just gonna skip those. What can I get here? Okay, I can get silence. Disable trigger abilities and gives enchant. Ooh, that also would be handy. But at the same time, I'm just gonna skip those. Let's re-roll once, see if we get anything good. Hold over. You know what? Let's remove that from the deck. Oh, it's not good for what I'm building. So we'll leave it there. So there'll be another shop which we can get trinkets right there. Yeah. I need to have Titan skin damage per stack, so -4. Okay. I'm just gonna ignore it for now. Especially since I'm only at 9 health. Since I can replace another unit there. I actually might be screwed with that big guy right there. Yeah, I think I'm... Yeah, no, I am screwed here. Does 6, I won't survive that. Dang it. Yep. Yeah, I'm screwed either way. Well, I guess that's alright for the first run. First time playing, now I know more about what's going on. And I'm dead. Okay. I could have played that better, to be honest, but... eh. Oh, so we get achievements this way. Okay, that's cool. Back to Outpost. Let's see what this outpost is. Ready, the initial battalion has finished unloading the train. The reserves are waiting for your command for the next assault. Very well, send word to the Pyroborn. We will depart again as soon, and I'll join you shortly. Yes, Commander. So he... Angels attacking heaven. I can never imagine it would come to this. Wait, okay. Angels attacking heaven? Not too long ago, I led these same troops to destroy hell. Oh, oh, whoa, wait a second. Now, yeah, he was the one of the main enemies of the first one. Excuse me? When we invaded hell, we fought the Seraph, but now we fight for our own survival. Seraph, my brother, our leader, I followed him without question, but I saw too late the cost of my blind faith. Since the invasion failed, Seraph began to change. The taste of defeat, it tasted him to see greater power from titans beyond our world. Oh, until he got what he was looking for. The titans came to heaven and began to corrupt everything. Now they threaten our whole world. Our only hope of solving them is to reforge the old covenant and an alliance between angels and demons. Oh shoot, this, yeah. Yeah, I never put that together. This looks so different now. When the Legion of Daedalus came to hell to fulfill a covenant we once fought to destroy and claim our former home, but old grudges remain. I have to believe that the alliance can work for our own sake. Yeah, no, I would never put that together that I was the same guy. Okay, unlock more Pyro Hearts to progress the story. Unlock. Continue to view it in... There's an actual story now? You... Customize your train, start a run. Excuse me? Customize train? Oh, so you can... Oh, it's just different skins. Okay. When they said customize, I'm like, wait, excuse me? You know what, I'm gonna take a look at the... Go on a new run for a second. I'm gonna just go here for a second. I'm just gonna see what we got. So our primary clan is the Banished. Oh, he's got some locked ones, so you have to defeat enemies using spells to unlock the... Oh, okay. Consume cards. Okay. Attach equipment. Oh. Okay. Oh, and... Oh, wow. You can even customize your pyre. Win battles with trials. Okay. Take pyre damage. Win a dimensional challenge, move units, spend coins. Wow, there's a lot actually. Defeat a titan, okay. Defeat the titans. Must be different titans. Deal damage with the train stewards. Echoes. Hold frozen cards in your hand. Inflict debuffs. Okay. If I choose Pyroborn. Okay, so that's the leader, Lord Fenix. He starts with that. Huh. Yeah, this is definitely interesting. Yeah. Then I'm actually gonna call it there, but I'm definitely going to be playing this a lot more. Next feature unlocked. Unlock Pyro Hearts. So I have to unlock Pyro Hearts. So just to go through the trials. All right. Well, there we go. That's Monster Train 2. It's got a lot more content than the last one, that's for sure. And it's definitely got... It actually has a story to it now. The other one, it was just basically you're trying to revive hell. It's, so yeah, but definitely interesting. Well, there you have it. So if you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.